Hello and welcome. In this video we will be going over through the new Power BI template we have been developing. We will have space assets themed by color. So basically we will have two reports, one by assets and one by spaces, in which we will have highlighting the various elements of the assets or of the spaces with different colors. Depending on a theme, we will be able to select. As always, we open the report, everything is loaded up, we already have the extracted data, the extracted geometries, and in this case we also have linked up various colors and a couple of themes to get you started with coloring the elements of the model. Let's go over to the Assets tab. Here we have a floor selector, followed by the type of assets, and then the list of the assets. So we can select the floor we're interested in, and we can see now everything goes green because we have the default color set. Here from the theme selector we will be able to select the type of theme. So let's color by asset type. And now we can see everything gets highlighted in the different colors. As always, here we can select the IFC beams, and we can see they're all highlighted in blue. As always, we can use the X-ray mode to get a better view, or if we need, we can go and hide all the not selected elements. And that way we can explore the model with a bit more ease. Now, drilling down, we can change theme, select the asset type name color. So basically now we can select the different types of assets, hide what we're not interested in, and we can see by switching the selection type, we highlight different assets in different colors. Now, let's go over to the space colors report. Same structure. On the top we have the floor selector. We can select the floor we're interested in, then select the theme we want to view. So here we are coloring all these spaces depending on their floor. So all spaces on the same floor will have the same color, as we can see. Or we can drill down and color by space type name. So basically, depending on the type of space, they will have a specific color. Let's hide the roof so we can get a better view. And here we see all spaces of the same type or use have the same color. We can start selecting the space types we're interested in and see how the model changes. We can, as always, hide what we don't want and keep switching, or use the X-ray mode, works as usual. And now we can analyze our spaces.